Hi folks, I'm Larry from Dr. M Enterprises Handyman Services here on the east side of Oahu, where I work, live, and play. Today's project is the garbage disposal replacement project. This is the old garbage disposal, which you have to take the plumbing loose from the drain. This particular one has a different connection than most. It has a clamp from the PVC. Instead, you have to remove the hose from the dishwasher and take loose the clamp that's holding the wire from stretching. Remove the little cover that covers the wire ends. Remove the wire ends. You have to unscrew the ground wire from the post it's on. Then remove the clamp from the garbage disposal. Now I'm removing the original clamp that holds the seal on the sink and mounts the garbage disposal. It has 3 screws which hold it tight to hold the seal and to keep the garbage disposal solid. Once those screws are loose, you have to push up on it to expose the snap ring that's there. See it coming out now? There it comes. And then everything will fall down and you can take out the old drain. Usually there's a cardboard piece over that also. Now you can just push up on it and it'll break the seal. I'm using plumber's putty to seal the new installation. Make sure you put enough because it'll squeeze out and then you can just trim off the excess after it does. Always make sure the incinerator name is straight when I put it in the sink so it looks neat. You push down on that. Now once you've gotten it in and the snap ring back on it, then can tighten the screws. Right now I'm loosening the screws to give me room for putting the snap ring in. I often take the old disposal and set it on top of that to hold it down so it's easier to work on. That new snap ring's a little tight usually, so sometimes a humbug to get it on. See, it's sometimes a bugger to get on there. Once it's on, then you tighten the 3 screws up again to secure the seal on the inside of the sink. Kind of go from screw to screw and tighten them a little bit at a time so the pull is even on it. That'll keep it from having a crooked fitting at the top. Just make sure that it is tightened evenly. So it'll keep that flange at the top in place. Make sure they're good and snug because the plumber's putty has to be pulled down to make the seal. So you want it, now you can see there's excess putty is pulled up out of it. You can just peel that off and then go around it with a knife and make it nice and even so that the sink looks nice inside when you're done. Now you have to prepare the garbage disposal. If you have a dishwasher, you have to knock that plug out so that the water will flow. Once you get the plug out, you put everything together then. In this case, this has that different connector, so we'll put that on right now. It doesn't have to go into the pipe, it has to just attach to it. So we put the seal in, tighten that up good. Now we're gonna connect the wires to it. Taking out the ground screw right now so I can attach the ground wire to it. Once you've gotten the clamp in place, got the wire ends connected and everything, now you can tighten it up so it doesn't stretch the cord. Putting it back, now we're attaching the dishwasher hose. It's a little heavy, so you gotta get it up in there and then get the clamp aligned correctly. once you got it hanging, I don't tighten the clamp entirely until I get all the things lined up and connected, and then do the final tightening on it. Make sure you tighten all the connections you loosened during the removal process. And once you've got those things snugged up, then you can finish tightening the garbage disposal to the bracket. It comes with a little tool. You see my hand there for doing that. All I have to do is plug it in and we should be good to go. Try and guide it behind some things so the cord's not dangling down. When they want to put things under the sink, it'll give them room without having to deal with the cord. In this case, it has a plug rather than being wired in solid. Sometimes they're wired in solid and you have to deal with the Romex cable. Just checking all the connections, make sure they're good and tight before we run water through it. And a little clean up on the pipes there and make it look better. Please subscribe if you feel you want to. I'd appreciate it.